Does your dog seem stiff, sore, and even limp after they wake up in the morning or even after a long nap? This is usually characterized by a few seconds to minutes of stiffness that works itself out with a little bit of movement. Well, if this is the case with your dog, stick around as we discuss 3 common reasons why this could be happening. But before we dive in, I'm Adam and this is Bo. Welcome back to Canine Active Health. The first reason is the most simple to fix and may seem the most obvious, and that is that your dog is sleeping on a hard surface or an uncomfortable surface. Hard surfaces can put extra pressure on your dog's joints and cause stiffness. If the floor is concrete, the cold moisture that will come through this type of floor can lead to further joint and muscle stiffness. The simple solution is to get a dog bed or a rug or even layering a towel to cover the surface. I will link to a few options in the description down below that I think would be great. Another reason for stiffness after getting up from a long rest could be that your dog is getting too much exercise. Exercise is great because it stresses their muscles, their joints, and other tissues. However, injury and tissue damage occur if the stress from the exercise is greater than their body's ability to repair. Therefore, your dog's stiffness may be the early signs of a new injury. To avoid this, give your dog proper rest between vigorous exercise. Remember, even though your dog wants to play fetch while they're stiff or limping, it doesn't mean it's the best thing to do for their health. Choose things like on-leash walks for recovery, and the hard chasing exercise can be done on alternate days of the week. The third reason why your dog can wake up stiff and sore is from chronic injuries or conditions. Usually this can be seen in older dogs. Old injuries or previous surgeries can lead to osteoarthritis and can cause these types of symptoms. Your dog will be stiff when they get up after a sleep or even a nap, and then with a little bit of movement, they're gonna loosen up. You may notice your dog starts off a bit slow on your walk, but then within a few minutes, they are back to themselves. The common mistake is that owners don't think that this is a big deal because these types of symptoms are not present during the day, during play or exercise. If this is the case for your dog, keep a close eye on what they're like post-exercise after they have a little bit of rest. The stiffness and limping will be a lot more prevalent. By identifying these factors and taking the steps to keeping your dog healthy and active, you can help prevent further injury and keep your furry friend, just like Bo, feeling their best.